It's moving!
Let's see, we'll go forward.
Yes! Damn!
Oh
Yes!
my fucking god, it actually moves back and forward!
That's amazing! Holy shit! Oh my god, that's amazing.
God, it fucking works. Let's go get Isaiah.
It drove. It moved 2 feet.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Oh my god, it moves.
All right, guys, we are back. It is the next day. It's actually the 4th of July. And I think we're going to be able to get this car possibly moving today. Like, just at least to test it. If not, all the way, you know, like you can take it home. So bad news with the brakes. We wanted to install those bigger brakes like we said. You know, we got these brackets all cleaned up and, you know, rust free and whatnot, and they're looking really good. But this one, for whatever reason, just missed it. The bleeder screw on here is just completely messed up, so it's not like we can't replace it. I did drill it out. We're gonna get a tap on there. There's literally no side for a vise to really grip on it, and we'll just have to tap it out and get a new bleeder screw in there. But so that means, oh, let's not put the brakes back on, or the wheels back on. We need to bleed the brakes first. Yep, so we have the fun task of bleeding the brakes. So we will start on that. I'll get my bleeder set up, and we will go ahead and start on this. Yeah, I gotta take these out first. So oh shit, we'll need to get the new brake fluid, and Tristan will go in the car, press on the brake. I'll break open the bleeder screw here, and until it's bled, because these had been completely empty pretty much.
Sad that we couldn't put the brakes on, but
yeah. So this is my bleeder setup right up here. I might want to drain some of it because it's kind of full. You just put it on the nipple, break it loose, and it will bleed out the air in the system. All right, guys, so Tristan's in the car. What he's going to do is he's going to press the brake pedal 3 times and hold it down. From there, I'm going to break open the bleeder. Air and fluid will be able to come out into there, and then once I see enough and it stops moving, I'll close it back up. He'll be able to let off the brake, and then we'll be able to do it again. Ooh. Wait a sec. Looks like some fluid's coming out of the line here. Let's see. I wonder if we need to press it again. Yeah, it's coming out the back side of the brake line here.
oh, what?
We might need a washer. I have some extras.
Oh, okay. So it's not like a broken line?
No. It was really tight in there too. It was coming out the back side right here.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a new washer on here on the banjo bolt, and we'll be back. All right, sorry about that, guys. I had some extra washers for it. We got that all tightened up. So go ahead and pump it 3 times and hold it.
All right, that's 3 times holding it.
Oh, let me, let's see. Yeah, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Okay, I heard some air. It's pushing some air in, so I'm gonna close it up. And, okay, let off the brakes.
Okay.
Now pump it.
All right, holding it.
More air came out. Now pump it.
All right.
I see it compressing now. Yeah, now fluid's coming out. I'm gonna check the fluid level up top. This is also something you guys want to do, is check the level, and it looks like it's gone down a little bit, so I'm gonna add some more. Just want to make sure this is topped off. And the fluid also should eventually come up clear like the new stuff. So you can bleed all 4 corners. I think for now we're just gonna bleed the front because the rears.
Yeah, those were the only lines that are taken off.
Yep.
Is that one done? We're still in the...
Let's go a little bit more. All right, let's just do the other side now.
All
right, guys, so we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side, and we will be back. All right, guys, we got the brakes bled. We have it on the ground. We put 8 quarts in, and there's 2 in the converter, so there's 10.
Oh, you took the...
Oh, you need to get the other shock, yeah. There you go. And let's see if this is the first time it'll move in 6 months.
Let's see if she'll shift.
7 months. And we haven't bled the coolant yet, but that's fine. Let me watch the shifter. Go ahead and shift it. Go through all the gears.
E-brakes on.
Go through all the gears.
That's neutral, drive, third, second, first.
Yeah, shift your alternating mirrors. I'm not hearing anything crazy.
I see a battery button, or a battery light.
Yeah.
I see a bunch of lights actually.
That's fine.
I don't think my ABS is hooked up for some reason.
Okay. Woo! It's
Well,
moving!
It could. Let's see. Will it go forward?
Yes! Damn!
Oh
Yes!
my fucking god! It actually moves back and forward!
That's amazing! Holy shit!
Oh fuck! Oh my god! It works!
Oh my god, that's
Oh my
amazing.
God. It fucking works. Let's go get Isaiah.
It drove! It moved 2 feet.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Oh my god, it moves.
First time in 7 months.
Isaiah.
Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. Oh Jesus, I'm kicking shit around.
Yeah. And we just drove it. It just went
Forward and backwards.
Nice.
I'm so excited. We put that shit together. We had no idea it was gonna work.
And it does work.
So now you can put the bumper in the back seat and drive it home.
So reverse and first gear work.
Yeah. But it didn't. I think the ABS isn't working. I don't know why it wouldn't.
That's fine.
Oh, it could be because we just bled the brake system. Maybe it has to be bled more.
No.
But
Did you guys get the bubbles out of the brake system?
Yeah, I bled them.
yeah.
Okay.
So I wonder
Did
why.
you make sure that the bleeders were facing up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't put them upside down.
Okay, good. I just wanted to make sure.
But it drove, which was fucking awesome, dude.
That's such a great feeling.
I think it's got a vacuum leak too somewhere,
Yeah.
and then the O2 sensor is making it not run optimal.
Yeah, O2's
but
not plugged in.
It does it. I can't believe it. It went backwards and went forwards. Hell
We can finally
yes.
get this the fuck out of here.
Yeah, it could drive home like this. I wonder if, well, you might want to turn it on again. I'll feel if we're getting pressure in these lines. Trans cooler.
Yeah, let me
And
put some coolant in there too.
no leaks under it either. The JB well worked. Trans isn't leaking. Yeah, coolant. Got to do that too. I'm so excited.
We can finally park in the driveway.
We can. I can
Soon.
power wash. I'm gonna power wash it first. I'm gonna make it look real nice. Oh shit, dude! I'm so excited. All our work.
Came to fruition.
Now it's just buttoning everything up. We just got to get the trans lines back where they need to go. We need to get your intercooler system completely set up.
Yep.
But you can drive without it.
I could take it home without the intercooler system working.
Yep.
Oh, that's so nice.
Get the bumper on, get everything cleaned up, and you know,
Move
look
back
guys,
and forward.
look how efficient we are. I mean, all these extra
Nice.
bolts.
Are you gonna be able to drive it home?
It moved.
No,
I know.
Moved for the first time in 7 months.
I'm so excited.
You can drive it home.
It looks ready.
Yeah, it's
Roadworthy.
Fine. That's fine.
Dude, if you drove by somebody in this thing, people would be like, what the hell is that?
You're like, that's a race car.
Drive it with all the bolts on the cowl just falling off and killing people behind me.
Yeah, it just means we're more efficient. I mean, look how many bolts we have left over.
Yeah, true.
It hasn't leaked anything either.
Less weight.
Yep.
Weight reduction with less bolts.
Honestly, if you weighed all those bolts, it'd probably be a couple ounces. Now, when is this one going to move?
Soon.
I'm so excited this move. This is the first car I've ever rebuilt, and like, we pulled the trans, rebuilt the trans, pulled the motor, rebuilt the motor. Good job, everyone.
Oh my god.
Thank you. It was all me.
All of you helped.
It was all
It was
me.
all Zoe
It was all
behind the
me.
scenes.
Didn't Zoe like torque one of the head bolts or something like that, or was that Project F?
She was behind us the whole way, just redoing our work and
I
making it
was.
right.
This was my entire masterpiece. Thank you.
Now these tires are gonna blow up because they're 10 years old, and I've also been sitting for 7 months.
Now buying new tires.
All right, guys, we're back. Tristan made a little mess. So
I
he's
peed a
wiping
little
it.
bit.
Yeah.
Peed a little bit.
So,
Got so excited.
Really bad news about the brake calipers. Like we showed you, that bleeder was messed up. We tried buying new bleeders, and we were going to use a Easy Out to remove it, but the bleeder material is just too soft, so it spun. So we're like, oh, let's try drilling it out. It might work, but honestly, we can buy remanufactured ones that are already put together, Rock Auto, for $80. So he'll probably just buy a reman one. I'd say buy 2 remanufactured ones and don't even bother with those. I mean, it was a cool idea to rebuild them, but I don't know.
Yeah, you know what?
We still haven't even put them together.
Me being the Jew that I am, and me buying the brake parts that I already bought, I'm just probably gonna buy the one.
No, you're gonna put it together and it's still not gonna work, and then you're gonna be out time and even more.
No, I don't think so. I don't think
It doesn't even matter. It's not on me anymore because the car is done. He can leave and he can do whatever to it, but I guess I can't leave yet. We still need the exhaust clamp. We need the O2 extension. We need to get these trans lines up and out of the way, and then his intercooler lines. He doesn't really need them to leave, but those are the things he does need for it to leave. And then he can work on that. And what else did we have?
That's it.
I think that was about it.
It just needs the brake parts, and once the other brakes go on, but that can wait.
Yeah, it's got its stock brakes. It's fine to drive like that.
Needs new tires as well.
Yes, badly.
Now that once I know that it's good to go and finally we'll drive out of here, gonna buy new tires.
I wouldn't take it on the highway, just city driving to your house, pretty much.
Sure. Yeah.
And yeah, this is, I mean, we'll probably still have more videos on the Bonneville.
I mean, guaranteed. I mean,
Like,
it's gonna stay around. So.
It's gonna sit at least for today. And you know, there's some other stuff. We're not working on it tomorrow, or unless you want to come by and work on it yourself. But yeah, we worked like 4 days in a row, whatever it was.
Yeah,
I have a
more.
stockpile of footage I haven't even edited yet. So, oh boy, it's a lot.
Yeah, thank God I had this week off, because if I didn't,
Yeah, imagine, guys. Like I said, it took us 4 days to do this. Imagine if it was 4 individual weekends. That'd put us a month out,
because
potentially even farther.
I was here Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then now Saturday. So
Yep.
It's actually been more than 4 days. It's
Yep.
been like 6 days I've been here straight working on this car.
Yep.
And so that would have taken 6 weeks. That would have taken 6 weeks
Been a
of
long
weekends.
Yep. So, yep, it runs and drives. It moves forward and backwards. We haven't taken on a test drive. We'll definitely have to record a test drive once the stuff is, back together. Vince has an O2 extension we can try, and then we just need to tidy up some stuff and put it back together. And yep. So I think that's where we're gonna go ahead and end it off. If you want to buy a Jerry Rig Garage sticker, $3.50, and I'll send you one. They're very high quality. And then guys, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.